Namaste. First of all, I am very much thankful to the organizers and all the people who considered me to allow to present here. Well, as my old buddy Khagen just mentioned that that I am going to say something about population or demography. Usually say I am a PhD scholar or PhD student, better I say, of population studies. Internationally it's often called demography, but in case of Nepal it is called population studies. And I'm going to tell you something about population, world population in numbers, and what does that mean in 21st century. Well, I want to make one thing very clear, that I don't have a strong foundation of mathematics, neither of public health. That's why I've chosen this topic, which probably you guys may be interested in, and I can explain better. Mathematics, I left from IAC, and I have never turned on that calculus. Sir was focusing time and again, Vaidya sir was focusing time and again. You should go through that derivative and everything. Okay, I can do that, but not immediately now. I have to go through that. I have to see that book which I left some 23 years ago when we were in high school. So that's the case. That's why I'm presenting something a bit different, but still I hope you guys like it. Well, as you may be aware, the current population of our planet Earth is close to 8 billion. And we should know that how that population grew, because there are big issues to deal with that which are related with the population growth. For example, it never crossed 1 billion population until 1800. For the first time, planet Earth saw 1 billion population in 1800. After that, let's see how population grew in the 20th century. That's in a way amazing, and that is in a way scary. Let's see that. But we all are mathematicians here. I'm not. Some of us are not. I have learned that. But you guys are mathematicians. That's why you can tell what does this mean. In one single century, let's say in 1930, after 130 years, it became twice.